Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Nezlover, and I'm taking a moment out of a hectic, busy day of getting Diana to school and taking care of her while she's still a tad under the weather. She's getting better, thanks everyone who's been praying. But she wanted to go to school today, and she's not on any antibiotics. And she was eating and enthusiastic, a little logy still, but happy, in a good mood. So she's at school today, and, getting rides here and there, filling out paperwork, calling up this place and that, still working on trying to find daycare for Diana and things such as that. But I had an opportunity to come to the park for a little bit, and I thought, hey, that's just what the doctor ordered. Just a few moments here in this beautiful weather, next to this filthy man-made lake. Well, it could be a lot worse, I suppose, but you know what I mean. It's just not as beautiful as the lakes I remember when I was little. I don't know about you. But I thought some people might be interested in coming with me for a few moments outside, enjoying this lovely day. It's nice to be away from traffic. I can still hear traffic in the background, but it's nice to be where you're not right up in the middle of it. So, you know what I'm saying. Feels good to be in the sun. Still got a lot of hazy chemtrail death crap going on in the sky. Oh, there's some few real clouds. We do have a few real clouds. But then you go back over here. Hazy death sky. But be that as it may, poisons, toxins, and what have you, it's still a beautiful little area to be. I remembered to film in landscape mode today, so I hope there's a certain special someone who took extra note of that. But it is a beautiful day, and I wanted y'all to come with me just for a moment and take it in. Not everybody has access to parks and woods and places to go, and I would hate to live in an area where I couldn't do anything like this. Excuse me. Nice to see everything green again. Nice to not have to wear a coat. Nice to feel the sun. And the birds, just listening to the birds. If I shut up for a minute, maybe you guys can hear the birds too. Let's just take a moment, shall we? Let's go see if we can get some of those very vocal birds on camera. They've been kind of keeping their distance, kind of unusual for the foul at this park. Usually they'd be all up around you and in your business. They're kind of shy this year and fewer in numbers. There's our friends over there, Canada geese. I missed seeing the water too and being closer to it. I feel like I'm just recharging my batteries. I just come in here for a few moments. So yeah, I'm still carrying on and doing what I need to do, and I'm enjoying the work assignment I have at Goodwill. I used to work for Goodwill ages ago, and now I'm doing exactly what I did all those years ago when I was just happy as a clam. So it's bringing back good, positive feelings, and it's good therapy, and I'm enjoying it so far, and I go back tomorrow. I'm looking forward to it. I think that'd make a beautiful painting too. My meeting with the Coalition of Housing went well, and Diana and I are signed up for all the things we need signed up for, and waiting lists and whatnot, and I have the freshest, hottest copy of the latest low-income landlords and places to call and inquire, so I have all that set before me to do too. But like I said, it's nice just to take a moment, and like our musical friend Stephanie Douglas says, just notice it all and breathe. God help me, I'll be covering that song at some place acoustically appropriate. I want to sing it somewhere where I can belt it out and really try to do Miss Stephanie proud with a cover. But thank you for joining me. I think this has gone on long enough, but thanks for coming with me to... Yes, and there's more water over here too. And beyond that, around the bend, there is more to the man-made lakes. It's like a little series of lakes, and like I said, back there is more, but it's forbidden to the public. There's like a diving school rescue team with sunken cars kind of training ground thing going on around the bend there, and I have gotten to see it. I've never gotten to go in the water, but maybe we'll get to talk to those people and learn a little more about that. They're nice people. It's just like an exclusive, if you're not doing training or part of the dive club, it's just another body of the lakes here that is not open to the general public. So that's what's going on back there. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me, and hope to do some more outside nature vlogs here soon. I missed being able to do this. God bless you.